Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Today, we're going to do something a little different with what we normally do with my videos. I actually wanted to invite a friend of mine onto the channel to provide the details of a deal that he just did with someone else, with a wholesaler made $20,000. My friend was able to get the deal, and he's going to break everything down for you in full detail on how he was able to make this work. If you're interested in wholesaling, if you're interested in keeping properties, if you're interested in real estate investing in general, make sure you watch this video and also be sure to check his channel out as well. Hope you enjoy it.
Hey, first things first, thank you to Jamel Gibbs, man, for letting me be on his channel to give y'all this good content, man. I'm going to break down how this wholesaler made $20,000 selling me this property, okay? If you look at the house, you see something going on, right? So the way you can get started is you can start driving for dollars, right? Driving for dollars, which is basically you're going into neighborhoods looking for beat up houses, houses that need a lot of work, houses that are boarded up, houses with window units, houses where the roof looks bad, just overgrown bushes, trees, all that, right? So what you want to do is you want to look for that stuff, and then you're going to write down the address. Most importantly, the infamous abandoned car. If they got abandoned cars, you know, like, well, something's going on here. Let me call him, right? So then you're going to skip trace the owner, right? Skip trace the owner, you're going to call him. It's exactly what the wholesaler did. So you skip trace the owner, he called them, all right? The person who had the house, they were extremely motivated to sell, but their husband passed. And now that their husband passed, the tenant wasn't paying rent no more. So they haven't paid in a year. So she did an eviction, right? Just looking for these key indicators, right? The branches on the house. The roof is no good. The fascia's rotted out. A window unit. Look at the blinds. You know there's neglect going on. There's obviously neglect going on. So you can potentially make a deal if the situation is right. What do I mean by what the situation is right? Is the owner motivated or not? What's going on? So the owner told them, like, hey, the tenant is not paying rent. They haven't paid in a year. I'm going to file for an eviction to get him out. Well, the wholesaler then got this house for $120,000, right? $120,000. From him getting it for $120,000, he turned around and then he sold to me for $140. The house is worth $280. So he made enough money. He made $20,000 on the transaction, and now I gotta fix the house up, and now I get to make the spread after fixing it up. I think it needs 60. I think the house gonna swallow every bit of 60. We'll see what's going on, but that's basically what he did. It was nothing complex. You're driving for dollars, looking for old roofs, windows, blinds messed up, boarded up houses, window units, overgrown trees, overgrown bushes. The neglect is all over there. All you gotta do is write down the address and get a skip trace. I use an app called Deal Machine. And with that Deal Machine app, you know, you can use durudriving.com to get a 7-day free trial and $15 credit. But I use that particular app to find deals just like this. That's just me though, man. You can skip trace them right from the app. It's a cool app. So that's all I have for you, man. But I'm Nasar, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, The Real Estate Guru, all platforms. Instagram and all platforms. Subscribe to my channel, please, right? So you can get more content like this. Jamel's also gonna put the link to my channel below in the description so you can click on it. And Jamel, hey, listen, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate the opportunity for being on the channel. And comment below, let me know what you guys think. I know wholesaling is simple, but it's not easy. It does require work. So let me know, is this something you're gonna do, driving for dollars, or has driving for dollars worked for you? Just let me know, man. I appreciate it.